I'm making a video and you talking to me. No, wait, hold on.
So today I will be showing you guys what products I use in my hair and how I style it. I have my hair straight for like a week now and my hair is not looking good. Well, it was looking good. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me tell you, I was looking all nice, right? My hair wasn't stiff, none of that. And then, one day I'll do a video showing you guys how I prep my hair before I straighten it, because I do not get heat damage. It's because I use a specific product, and I'll put all of that in the next video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I wash my hair and transition from straight to curly. Maybe one day I'll make a video showing you how I go from curly to straight. Keep watching and make sure you go subscribe for when I do that video. Here we have my brother. This is his hair right now. Come. It's looking kind of crazy, but you know what we gonna do? Definitely he's gonna be in one of the videos and I'm gonna show y'all how I style his hair. His hair is a little bit loose. Well, his curls are a little bit looser than mine. So I'll show you the type of products that I put in his hair, because some things that work for me don't work for him. And yeah, so is your lip dry? Look at lip. Oh, what's that? Okay, let's just okay. I probably look crusty, busted right now. I ain't take a shower yet. I ain't brush my teeth. My breath stink, all that, but it's okay because we about to go in the shower and get this video done.